Bitcoin is often called the greatest investment of all time. But is that true? In this video, we're going to give Bitcoin a rating and go over the details. Welcome to our channel where we evaluate and rate the greatest companies and financial instruments in the world. If you want to find out how we're going to rate Bitcoin and what it is, make sure to watch until the end of the video. Before we start, remember that this is not financial advice, and everything that is said in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes. It is the first decentralized digital currency and was created following the 2008 financial crisis as an alternative to traditional currencies issued by central banks. This means that there is no central authority that controls the network. Instead, the network is maintained by a distributed network of computers. Second, you can buy and sell it directly through a peer-to-peer marketplace like LocalBit.com. You can trade it on an exchange like Coinbase. However, the profitability of Bitcoin has declined in recent years as more and more people have invested in it. We rate Bitcoin a 7 out of 10 for profitability. We rate Bitcoin a 10 out of 10 for liquidity. You can also buy shares in a publicly traded company that owns Bitcoin, like the Bitcoin Investment Trust or the Grace Bitcoin Trust. We rate Bitcoin a 0 out of 10 for management. Other cryptocurrencies are vying for market share, and it is possible that one of them could eventually take Bitcoin's place as the dominant crypto. Bitcoin is a revolutionary new way of thinking about money. It is a decentralized, scarce, and open source currency that is becoming more and more popular every day. However, its value is still highly volatile, and there is a lot of competition in the cryptocurrency space. We rate Bitcoin a 7 out of 10 overall. We rate Bitcoin a 6 out of 10 for competition. Finally, there are a number of mutual funds in each. This means that transactions can be made without using real names or personal information. We hope that you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Let us know in the comments below what you think of our rating for Bitcoin. Do you agree with it? Why? Or why not? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. We LLB rating Bitcoin on a scale of 1 to 10 based on the following criteria: profitability, potential, liquidity, volatility, management, competition, and our overall assessment. Users are identified by their Bitcoin addresses. Third, it is scarce. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. There is still a lot of growth potential for Bitcoin. It is still early in its adoption cycle, and it is possible that it could become the dominant form of money in the future. However, there is also a lot of competition in the cryptocurrency space, and it is possible that another cryptocurrency could come along and take Bitcoin's place. We rate Bitcoin an 8 out of 10 for potential. This scarcity is what makes it valuable. And fourth, it is open source. The code that runs the Bitcoin network is open for anyone to see and modify. Bitcoin is not issued by any government or financial institution, and its transactions are made directly between users without going through a financial institution. This volatility makes it a risky investment, but it also creates opportunities for investors to make big profits. We rate Bitcoin a 3 out of 10 for volatility. As such, it is also not subject to government regulation or oversight. And now, let's get started. So what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital or virtual currency that was first described in a white paper by pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto. In 2008, there are a few key features of Bitcoin that set it apart from other currencies and investments. First, it is decentralized. The value of Bitcoin has been extremely volatile since its inception. As far as how to invest in Bitcoin, there are a few different ways. Now that we've covered the basics of Bitcoin, let's move on to the rating criteria. Let's start with profitability. Bitcoin has generated very strong returns for its investors, especially those who have been involved from the beginning. Next, let's look at the potential of Bitcoin. Moving on to liquidity. Bitcoin is a highly liquid asset. It can be bought and sold instantly on a variety of exchanges. Next, let's discuss volatility. Bitcoin is a highly volatile asset. Its price can swing wildly in a matter of days or even hours. Moving on to management. Bitcoin has no management team. It is a decentralized currency, so there is no one in charge of it. Next, let's talk about competition. There is a lot of competition in the cryptocurrency space. Finally, let's discuss our overall assessment of Bitcoin. Thank you for watching our video on Bitcoin.